Hey, welcome everyone to an unboxing of the Jabra Elite 85H headphones. So let's get this out of the wrapper immediately. So even though this was released in, I believe, in 2019, on some Reddit forum posts, people have been asking, when are you going to replace these headphones with a newer model? And Jabra Support, the official Jabra account on Reddit, has basically said they have no plans to replace this headphones yet. So this is Jabra's premium headphones, still currently available on the market, very popular, in fact, even today. So we'll be diving into an unboxing, and of course a link to the review video will be in the video description if you're interested. So this is Jabra's take on the premium headphone lineup, which goes against pretty much Bose and Sony, which pretty much dominate the ANC, active noise cancelling headphone market. So it'll be interesting to see how this fares out compared to those competitors. Now Jabra does make some excellent headsets, not headphones, but headsets with the boom mic. I've reviewed a fair ton of them. I can find links to those in my YouTube channel. But continuing on with the unboxing, I like that they have the quick start guide as part of like the protective cover. It's not an extra booklet, less resources, waste of paper, just being environmental friendly, but it's just cleaner to get out of the box, it's faster. So as you can see, there's more information saying, hey, if you want to get started, download the app. The only real pamphlet in there is warranty and safety and regulatory information, which is kind of boring. Thankfully, at this price point, the hard traveler's case is, well, I just said it's hard. It's not soft, so you'll be able to protect your headphones when you're traveling or on the go or whatever it may be. And there is the headphones itself, and they do collapse in, so but they do feel firm. So despite the the ear cups being able to collapse, they feel pretty firm, the body. But I'll do more testing and results in the review. Noticing that they're on, because I'll admit this, I didn't look this up beforehand, but it seems though twisting them turns them on. So when you have them in wearing position, it'll turn on. When you put them flat, it turns them off. So I guess that's how power is turned on and off. So a little bit surprised there, because again, I admit I didn't look it up. There is the USB charging cable, USB-A on one side and USB-C on another. And there's an auxiliary cable included because it has a 3.5mm auxiliary port. So you have that option. So you can use Bluetooth or auxiliary, which is great. Jabra included that option. That's pretty much it, the unboxing. I'm just going to keep playing with the swivel of turning it on and off because I just find it pretty neat and unique. So again, if you're looking for the review video, a link will be in the video description. Be sure to check out my website links and social links also in the video description. Hit the like button, it does help. Subscribe, and thanks for watching.